everyone. In this section we will discuss your exercise 1.4 which is based upon decimal numbers. Let us understand this. Your all decimal numbers comes in real numbers. Now your real numbers are either rational numbers or irrational number. Your rational numbers consist of terminating and non-terminating repeating. If it is terminating, just understand this, if it is terminating, we know that the rational number is of the form P by Q, where P and Q are co-prime. Then let us understand about the denominator of the terminating. If it is terminating, that means if rational number is terminating, then denominator is of the form 2 to the power n into 5 to the power n, where m and n are non-negative integers. Again, let us move to non-terminating repeating. Non-terminating repeating means your denominator is not of the form 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. Then let us move to irrational numbers. Your irrational numbers are not rational number, and moreover they are of the form non-terminating and non-repeating. We will understand this concept more with the help of the question. Our first question is to write in decimal expansion if the given number is terminating without dividing. Now just see here, your question is 17 upon 8. When you see the factors of denominator, you come to know that it is 2 and 2 and 2. So we are having 3 2's in denominator. Now the definition for terminating is that either there should be the factor of 2, or there should be the factor of 5, or there should be the factor of 2 and 5. So you can see here all the factors are of 2. So this is your terminating. Once if it is terminating, then only you can write it in the decimal expansion. You should remember only terminating decimals numbers can be written in the decimal expansion. What we have to do in writing decimal expansion, you can see here 17 2 cube. Okay. 2 into 2 into 2 can be written as 2 cube. Now you have to make the pair of 2 and 5 common. Means there should be equal pair, then only you can do it in the decimal expansion. So here there are 3 2's. So we need 3 5 also. So 5 cube we will multiply in numerator as well as in denominator. So your denominator take the form 1000. You can see that one pair of 2 and 5 gives 10. So there are 3 pairs of 2 and 5. So we will be getting 10 into 10 into 10, that is 1000. And when you multiply this, you get 2125. And so your decimal expansion is 2125. Now let us move on to the another question, that is 64 and 455. Find out the factors of 455. When you divide 455 by 5, you get 9, 1, then again by 7 and 13. You can see that this is not of the form 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. So you can write this as, this is your rough one. So 64 upon 2, it's not 2, it is 5, 7 and 13. And you'll be writing this as non-terminating repeating. So it is non-terminating repeating. You can do more questions based upon this concept. Let us see one more question in exercise 1.4. Here it is given that some decimal expansions are given and you are asked whether they are rational. If they are rational, then obviously they will be in the form of P by Q. Then you have to tell what will be the form of the Q. Okay, let us see the very first one. It is 43.123456789. You can see that this decimal expansion terminate. If it is terminating, that means definitely terminating comes in the form of a rational. So your this number is your rational. This number is rational number, and obviously you can write that Q is of the form 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n, where m and n are non-negative integers. Okay. So when you come to the second one, you can see that it is 0.1210, then 0.1200, then again 12000. In this way, this dot represent that this expansion is non-terminating. Okay, and moreover you can see it is non-repeating. If it is non-terminating and non-repeating, that means it is a irrational. So you will be writing here not rational. It is not rational number, because they have asked you in the form of rational. If it is rational, then only you will be writing about its denominator. Coming to the third, you can see that a group of number, that is 43.123456789. This bar sign shows that it is repeating. So this is of the form non-terminating, repeating. So here Q, again you can write that this is rational number, and Q is not of the form 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. That means it is understood it is non-terminating, repeating. So in this way we have seen different varieties of question, how a given fraction can be said whether it is terminating, and if it is terminating, then how it can be written in the decimal action. And if it is non-terminating, simply you mention it. Then if a decimal expansion is given, how can you tell about rational and their factors of denominator? Thank you.